Yeah, today we are at 974 beach and it's only fun here, guys. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel so that anytime we drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to watch it. I love making videos. Yeah, and some of my followers, they are asking me, why do you like laughing like that? Yo, problem no dey finish. That's my only answer. Problem no dey finish. So I cannot stop laughing. Always I have to laugh to keep my confidence, and then yeah, that is it. And I love it. And subscribe. So today I'm going to the beach. And before we get there, let me show you some amazing view here. I don't know this neighborhood, they love yellow cars. I don't know if you can see from down there. Yo bro, what's up? Yeah, so today we're going to the beach. Just watch out for amazing videos from the beach, and it's 974 beach. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel so that anytime we drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to watch it. Stay tuned and watch out. So guys, this is the 974 beach in Doha, Qatar. Yeah, I'm here, but before I get to the beach, I just want to show you guys this amazing view here. Yeah, of course, Richie, I give you guys amazing thing only. So today I'm at the 974 beach, and I can go to the beach side. I think the beach side is there where we can swim and then have fun. But before I get there, I just want to show you guys this thing. I don't know what kind of stones that they used to build this, but it's incredible. It's really nice. It's really nice. And you can see the 974 beach there, the 974 stadium there. This actually, the stadium, this stadium actually, they use only containers to build that. And this is what I'm talking about here, this amazing thing. Yeah, this amazing thing that I'm talking about here. Yeah. Yeah, so that's the beach, and it's incredible. I love it. Yeah, and there is the skyscrapers. The wind, it's a bit windy. Yeah, so guys, let's get to the beach. You know, the reason why we came here, let's go there and let me show you guys. But this is nice. Yeah, so now we are at the beach, and before you enter the beach from the entrance, this is how the beach looks like. Yeah, this is 974 beach. Yeah, so now we are trying to get close to the beach, and you see family and friends having fun. It's really incredible here at the 974 beach. So if I should give you 360, this is how it's gonna be like. So this is how the 974 beach actually look like. And yeah, I'm here today to, I mean, get that vibe, yo. But one thing I realized is, yo, all the people here, yo, I'm the only man here. Nobody is having 6 packs except me. Yeah, so for here today, I'm the only man here at the 974 beach in Qatar. And yeah, it's really amazing here. It's really giving. Yeah, I'm the only man here. Whoever he say he's the man, he should come and meet me out, and we're gonna face it. Yeah, so you see family and friends all over here having fun. Yeah, so I'm just taking you a tour at the 974 beach. But yeah, it's fun to be here, and it's really nice to be here also. Yeah, and I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the place. You get some surface like this also, and then the other side also you get that space also. And yeah, and then here also they have lifeguard that, yeah, you are not going to die in the water even if you don't know how to swim. Yeah, they are here to protect you, they are here to save you, so don't panic about that. It's really free, and then yeah, so that's it is. Yeah, yeah. And here also they have this that you can enjoy. Yeah, but I don't really like that so far, but it's really amazing, it's really nice. And they have the pot also here, and they have the swing here also. And I want to have a little bit fun in the swing for you. Yeah, so we go. Whoa! Yo! Yeah, today we are at 974 beach, and it's only fun here, guys. So if this is your first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel so that anytime we drop amazing video like this, you'll be the first person to watch it. I love making videos. Yeah. And some of my followers, they are asking me, why do you like laughing like that? Yo, problem no dey finish. That's my only answer. Problem no dey finish. So I cannot stop laughing. Always I have to laugh to keep my confidence, and then yeah, that is it. And I love it. And subscribe. Yeah.